Hi, this is S50 dashboard. Just now we have successfully created the add access right for the site TTDM. Now we are going to program the padlock for site TTDM. So first we go to the basic data and then click add lock. Okay, from here we can choose either one add lock or add copy of existing lock. So now we are going to click add copy of existing lock because we already created some padlocks earlier. So click either one here and then next. Okay, placement is a unique name or unique number. So for the site TTDM we have choose for number E20049A, and then locking target we change to site TTDM. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, so we need to choose the exact one. So we try to find the site TTDM here. Okay, and then move to the right and then remove unused. Okay, we go to the cluster. Okay, we choose cluster 20, go to the right and then remove. Okay, so next. Okay, next. It's no time limited. Okay, next. Amount of locks to create is 1. Next. Order and program locks, the bottom one. Okay, next. Okay, ready. So this is the security key which attached to the USB, our notebook USB. So we need to put our cylinder padlock at the security token. So click ready. Okay, now we put our padlock at the security token. The lock is being programmed now, and just wait. Okay, it's successfully programmed for the site TTDM. So I remove the padlock from the security token. Then okay, there's no padlock here. Okay, so close. Okay, if you want to see, we can click at the browse log. And then put the site TTDM. So one padlock created here, and then this is program.